Days. What if you got flowers that lasted an entire year? Gal is here tonight from Rose Box NYC to tell us how we can get our hands on one of these arrangements. Hi, how are ya?
Good morning. Happy early Valentine's Day.
Yeah, happy early Valentine's Day to you. So you recently sent us these beautiful yellow roses.
Yes.
And they're so pretty. How do they manage to stay in such good shape for so long?
So they're preserved to last for the entire year. Yes, the entire year. We grow them in Ecuador. There's a special farm that specializes in preserving them. That's where they also get their color enhancement. The preservation process is being done with natural ingredients only. And then we do the assembly here in New York City, and this is where we design all of this beautiful arrangement, and we ship them all over the United States.
Yeah, they're so incredible. And the crazy thing is you guys did send us some last year, and we have those too. And even after an entire year, they still look really good. And to be able to say that we still have them and they still look good is, I mean, I think that's a pretty good testimonial, don't you?
I'm so happy. Yes, of course. By the way, you always choose my favorite colors. So I'm so happy. Also, you got the yellow one because as you can see, there is a huge presence of pink and reds, but we actually have 27 colors to choose from. And people can actually build their own arrangement. So they can pick the box, they can pick the vase, they can pick the size, the color of the roses, they can mix roses. And guess what? They can also add text, custom text to the box, which is kind of cool. If they want to put someone's name or a special message or like a cute note, they can do that too. We also have a Valentine's Day card that goes with it, which is super, super cute. By the way, we still offer free Valentine's Day shipping all across for order over 150, which is kind of cool. So I would definitely recommend to take advantage and get this early because sometimes guys I know have the tendency to wait.
Yeah.
Don't wait. Don't wait. Get your roses done early, planned, and make someone smile. Absolutely.
Absolutely. Okay, so the other crazy thing is these smell so good because they. How do they smell so good?
So there's obviously the natural scent of the rose, and then we also have our special unique compound that we created that goes on the roses, and this what gives them like that extra scent and also make it last for longer. And for people that want extra scent and be able to continue spraying it throughout the year, we do offer a scent booster as well.
Awesome. Is there any maintenance we're supposed to do? I mean, obviously we did nothing to those pink ones, but I was just wondering if we were supposed to be doing something in the last year.
No. So as a person who does not really great with plants, good news, these require zero maintenance. That means you cannot kill them. All you have to do is place them in the house and let them be, and they're happy. They're happy in their box. They don't need water, no maintenance, no touching, just let them be, and they will blossom for the entire year.
That's awesome. I'm sure this is a very busy time for you guys, but you're probably busy throughout the entire year with weddings and anniversaries and maybe even proposals or something too, huh?
Oh my God. You have no idea. Like, you know what? Sometimes it's so nice to hear the stories behind, the people that are purchasing, because there's always a story. There's always a special moment planned around the roses. And we really like working closely with our customers and create something that is uniquely special to them. So they can, for example, create a whole sentence with boxes, right? And, do a proposal. Or if they want to have the box say something special, or if they want to send it to the bridesmaid, and that's how they're announcing that they want them to be their bridesmaid. I mean, there's so many cool ideas that you can do with it. And then, there's something about it too that like make it last and have the impression for the entire year, unlike regular flowers that after a week you have to throw away. These ones, will have the reminder that someone is thinking about you for way longer than just that period of time that flowers.
I know we want our viewers to check out everything at Rose Box NYC, and we have a discount code thanks to you guys, 15% off with the code GDS15. Thank you so much for hanging out today.
Yes, thank you for having me. Have a beautiful day.
Same to you. Make sure you check them out online, like we said, Rose Box NYC. We'll be right back with another stop on our search to find the Stateline